Let's use Maybelline Lumi Matte Foundation. I'm going to be using the shade 119. Ito pala yung consistency niya. Very liquidy. 3 pumps. Gamit lang ako ng brush to apply it. Boom. Alam niyo ang maganda dito, one layer, kita mo na agad yung coverage niya. So, you have to build up para at least ma-achieve mo yung coverage na gusto mo. This is second layer. Jaw to neck area. This is the side with the foundation. As you can see, 2 layers pa lang yan, pero na-cover niya na agad yung mga acne marks ko and blemishes right here. And yung aking discoloration sa aking mga facial hairs. Ang gaan niya sa pakiramdam. And hindi mo siya feel parang ano lang siya, skin tint. Ganun yung vibes niya. Doon sa 3 pumps na kinuha ko, may natira pa na onte and kaya pa niyang gawin yung aking other side of my cheeks. And then kukuha na lang ulit ako ng pump na siguro mga 2 to 3 pumps kasi malaki naman talaga yung mukha ko and marami akong nagagamit na foundation. This is after 7 layers. Honest thoughts, ang gaan talaga niya sa face. And I think ito talaga yung winning factor of this foundation na super gaan niya lang sa face. Ayan, 7 layers na to. Grabe yung coverage niya rin talaga, oh. Tatapusin ko lang yung makeup ko, magbabalik ako. This is how the Maybelline Lumi Matte Foundation looks like. As you can see, the coverage is talagang wow. It's just wow. Ang ganda ng coverage niya. But, yung napansin ko, since manipis lang talaga yung kanyang formulation, here on my upper lips, pag pinapawisan ako, natatanggal na talaga siya. I think I need to use a powder foundation right after setting it with a loose powder just to seal this foundation kasi ganun yung effect niya lalo na pag maaraw and pag pinagpapawisan. I think itong foundation na to mag-i-slide off siya, but what you have to do is to use the right powder foundation for you para at least ma-lock off niya yung mismong foundation. Oh! If you're a makeup artist, young adult, this one will definitely last long. 30 hours, I think this will still look presentable. But all in all, I really love this Lumi Matte Foundation from Maybelline.